Hey everyone, welcome back to English Word Hub. In today's video, we are going to explore some of the most frequently used idioms in English. These idioms will not only help you sound more like a native speaker, but they'll also make your conversations more lively and engaging. Let's start. Piece of cake. Meaning, something that is very easy to do. Example, the test was a piece of cake, I finished it in 10 minutes. Cut to the chase. Meaning, to get to the point without wasting time. Example, we don't have much time, so let's cut to the chase. What's the main issue? Hit the sack. Meaning, to go to bed or to sleep. Example, I'm so tired, I think I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. Under the table. Meaning, secretly or dishonestly, often in reference to money or deals. Example, he was paid under the table for the extra work he did. By the book. Meaning, to follow the rules or do something in a very traditional or official manner. Example, the manager insisted that everything be done by the book during the audit. Break the ice. Meaning, to start a conversation in a social situation or to make people feel comfortable. Example, at the party, I told a funny joke to break the ice and everyone started talking. Bite the bullet. Meaning, to do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding. Example, I hate going to the dentist, but I have to bite the bullet and get it over with. Under the weather. Meaning, feeling ill or unwell. Example, I can't come to the party tonight, I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Spill the beans. Meaning, to reveal a secret or share confidential information. Example, she spilled the beans about the surprise party before we were ready. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, to be exactly correct or to describe something perfectly. Example, you hit the nail on the head when you said we need more marketing efforts. The ball is in your court. Meaning, it's your turn to make a decision or take action. Example, I've done my part in the project. Now, the ball is in your court. A blessing in disguise. Meaning, something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good. Example, losing that job was a blessing in disguise because it pushed me to start my own business. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning, something that is very expensive. Example, the new phone I bought cost an arm and a leg. Burn the midnight oil. Meaning, to stay up late working on something. Example, she had to burn the midnight oil to finish her project before the deadline. Jump on the bandwagon. Meaning, to join others in doing something that's popular or trending. Example, everyone's joining the yoga class these days, so I think I'll jump on the bandwagon too. I hope you found these idioms helpful and will start using them in your everyday conversations. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and easy English tips. See you in the next.